How to choose the best home COVID disinfection cleaners for your home. Let's face it, the entire meaning of cleaning has been redefined by the coronavirus. In a difficult situation, such as exposure to the easily transmissible viruses, bacteria, and germs, you need the service of professionals who know exactly how to decontaminate and disinfect your home and have relevant experience in doing it. What does a disinfectant clean mean? One can easily get confused with the difference between regular products and disinfectant products. Rubbing normal soap-based products to a surface makes them potent in breaking down COVID-19. The wall of the virus gets broken when mixed with soap and thus makes it completely useless. On the other hand, disinfectant products eliminate the virus in touch, with no need for mixing with the virus. This implies that they are both effective, but the disinfectant product effective without any additional effort. Tips to choosing the right home COVID disinfection cleaners. Research the company. Ask colleagues, friends, neighbors, and family members for recommendations of a cleaning business or individual with a good reputation for you. It is normal to interview 4 different companies to obtain an estimate before you go with one of them. Interview candidates. Talk to several candidates to figure out which option will be the best option for you, whether to hire a company or go with an individual cleaner. Also, request a person-to-person meeting with a representative from the cleaning companies, including the person who will do the cleaning of your home or office. Check credentials. You must only consider a bonded and insured individual or business for hire. Whether you are hiring a cleaner as an individual or a company, ask that the company conduct background checks on workers cleaning your home or dig yourself for safety purposes. Find out if they use cleaning products certified by EPA. Do the cleaners use effective COVID cleaning products that are registered with the EPA? Cleaners are expected to disinfect often touched surfaces in the homes thoroughly. They should put on masks and gloves for additional protection. They must ensure the use of proper physical distancing during the job. All these will be discovered from their answer to your questions. Talk about cost. Find out the duration of work it took the cleaning service. Get the inclusions in their services, and be sure it contains everything you would like to clean. Have you any specific? Inform the cleaning company in advance in order to help them prepare for your request. Request a written contract. During your final discussion and decision with the company, go over the written contract that contains the services the cleaners will offer and the duration in which the task must be completed. And final, get ready for the services. Make sure all your personal belongings like documents that contain personal information, jewelry, and other essential items are well secured. Also, arrange for your pets, so they don't disturb your cleaning crew when they arrive. Thanks you so much for watching. If you would like to know more about it, our website is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time.